Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed maintenance guide for Lenovo Towers. In this tutorial, we will walk you through essential maintenance steps to keep your system running efficiently. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, compressed air canister, and a microfiber cloth. Having these tools on hand will make the process smoother. Begin by ensuring your Lenovo Tower is powered off and unplugged. Safety first. Next, put on your anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge that could harm the internal components. Now, let's remove the side panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the back of the tower and carefully unscrew them. Gently slide the side panel off and set it aside. If you notice any dust buildup inside, now is the perfect time to clean it. Using your compressed air canister, carefully blow out any dust accumulated on the fans, power supply, and motherboard. Ensure to hold the canister upright to avoid moisture buildup. While you're inside, check all cable connections. Ensure they're secure and not obstructing any airflow. Loose cables can cause performance issues. If you find any connections are loose, plug them back in firmly. As you perform these tasks, remember that if you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our trained technicians can assist you with any maintenance needs. Next, let's focus on the components. If your Lenovo Tower uses a hard drive, consider checking its health. You can do this by using diagnostic software. If you need assistance, our team is available for a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and trust. Once you've completed the interior cleaning and checks, it's time to reassemble your tower. Carefully slide the side panel back into place and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or vibrations during operation. Before you power it back on, take a moment to clean the exterior with a microfiber cloth. This not only helps with aesthetics but can also prevent dust from entering the system when the tower is in use. After everything is reassembled and cleaned, plug your Lenovo Tower back in and power it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that might indicate a problem. If you encounter issues, don't hesitate to remember that we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs, ensuring no calls or travel are necessary for your convenience. In conclusion, regular maintenance of your Lenovo Tower is crucial for its longevity and performance. By following these simple steps, you help prevent major issues down the line. If you need assistance or prefer to have a professional handle the maintenance, reach out to us for more information. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.